Oh my word. This is happening live at Ogba. This is Excellent Hotel. If you know this area, you should know this place I am. This is the roundabout. This trailer right here that is on fire just killed 70 children that closed from school. 17 children. They were trying to cross. Killed 17 children. 17 children. Jesus Christ, man. We have to be careful. This is crazy. Oh my word.
We're in front of Ojodu Grammar School now. Ibi ìrìn accident náà ti ṣẹlẹ̀ o. Pẹ̀pẹ́tẹ́ là ń pa ọmọ student wọ́n pọ̀ tán pa o. So ìwọ tó bá mọ̀ pé ọmọ ẹ̀ àbúrò ẹ̀ àbí ìyàwó ẹ̀ ní ọmọ school ní Ojodu Berger. Ẹ̀wá ọmọ yín lọ àwọn ọmọ tí mọ́tò yẹn pa pọ̀ o. Ó pọ̀ tírélà ló pa wọ́n. Tírélà ní iwájú Ojodu Grammar School àwọn ayé Ojodu police station. Àwọn tó kú pọ̀ ẹ̀wá ọmọ yín o ẹ̀yin òbí ẹ̀wá ọmọ yín o ẹ̀wá ọmọ yín o wàhálà délé ni o. Why are they shooting into the school?
Inside school again?
Hey, why?
Inside school again?
Inside school?
Inside school.
Oh, Nigeria is finished. Oh boy.
Sorry, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Your name, what is your name? Akikumi. Akikumi what? Akikumi what? Akikumi, what's your surname? What's your surname? Eh? Dikrulai. Akikumi Dikrulai. Okay. Okay.
No, okay, let's go.